This is an important message, sponsored by NP Cable and Random Communications Tech. An unauthorized distribution of copyrighted content is a violation of the RCT regulations. We have received reports that you have purchased unauthorized NP cable box from a street vendor or a pirated website online. Expect lawsuits demanding compensation of copyrighted content and permanent loss of broadcasting privileges. This concludes this sponsored message. Regular programming may now resume. This is a critical message, sponsored by NP Cable and Random Communications Tech. Your attention is required. Failure to comply will result in severe consequences. Attention viewers, this message is to raise awareness and prevent severe penalties. In the past 5 days, you have been warned about returning the NP cable box. The stain of piracy will tarnish your reputation, limiting opportunities and damaging your standing in society. To protect yourself from severe consequences, you must take immediate action. Go to your nearest NP cable service center and return the cable box. This concludes this message. Failure to comply with copyright laws will have dire consequences.
This is a critical message, sponsored by NP Cable and Random Communications Tech. Immediate attention is required. Failure to comply will result in severe legal consequences. This message is to prevent the involvement of law enforcement. In the past 2 days, we have warned you again to return the cable box. The RCT will promptly contact the Random Assemble Police Team, RAPT, and Random Enforcement Agencies. They will track down the person responsible for the non-return of the NP cable box. To avoid these consequences, you must take immediate action. Go to your nearest NP cable service center and must have a safe return. This concludes this sponsored message. Failure to return the cable box within the next 24 hours will have dire consequences.
This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. This is a critical message, sponsored by NP Cable and the Random Communications Tech, RCT. Immediate and unwavering attention is demanded. Disregarding will result in severe legal consequences. Listen closely, viewer. The Random Assemble Police Team, RAPT, has founded your location. The reason for this is because you did not return the NP cable box. If you try to escape from the RAPT, you will be shot dead on the scene. In light of this urgent matter, normal programming has been suspended indefinitely. This concludes this sponsored message. Have fun in prison, nerd.